Welcome back. Today we're going to work on subtracting on a number line. If you didn't watch our last video, adding on a number line, I really recommend you watch it first because I talk about what a number line is and what these arrows mean. So let's get started. Make sure you have your worksheets out. You should have your worksheet that starts with the numbers 3 minus 1. So just like when we're adding on a number line, we are going to start with the first number to tell us where we're located. So if I'm subtracting 1 from 3, I'm going to start at the number 3. But instead of going more towards the bigger numbers, if I'm taking away, I'm going to make my number smaller. So I'm going to move 1 in the smaller direction. So what's smaller? 2 or 4? That's right, 2 is smaller than 4. So we're going to go 1 unit over in the smaller direction. So 3 minus 1 hump, 3 minus 1 hump, where did I end up? On the 2. That's it. Great job, guys. Let's try the next one. Let's do the next numbers, which are 2 minus 1. I know some of you can do this in your head, but the whole idea of a number line is that it helps us when our numbers get really big, okay? So keep that in mind. We want to know how a number line works. So let's start at the number 2, and we're moving over 1 unit. So which way, if I'm subtracting, I'm taking away, am I going to have a bigger number or a smaller number? A smaller number. So let's go to the smaller number. 1 unit. And again, 2 minus 1 gives us 1. Not so bad, right? Okay, let's erase. We've done the first 2 problems. Let's keep going. 4 minus 3. That means I'm starting at the number 4 and I'm taking away 3, or I'm making my number smaller by 3. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 humps, and each time my hump lands on the number. So I have 3 humps that I took away. Where did I finish? I went from 4, I went 1, 2, 3, and I landed on the number 1. Great job. Okay, so let's see if you guys can do this one. 3 minus 2. Can you do this one on your own? Where do you start? Where do you start? Great, we start on the 3. And when I'm subtracting 2 or taking away 2, where am I going? Am I going to go this way or am I going to go this way? If you said that first direction towards the 2, you're right. I'm going to go 2 units that way. 1, 2. So now I've made 2 humps, kind of like a camel. So 2 humps brings me over to the number 1. That's it. Okay, last 2 problems. Last 2 problems. 1 minus 1. This one's a tricky one. Okay, so where am I going to start? What? I'm going to start on my 1. And I'm going 1 unit smaller. So let's go 1 hump smaller. And now I end up on 0. You want to know something really cool? 0 is a number. Most people think 0 is not a number, but I'm going to tell you 0 is a number. If I say I have none or I have 0, it's telling me how much I have. It tells you something. So 0 is a number, and 1 minus 1 is 0. Let's do the last one together. 4 minus 2. Let's erase this. 4 minus 2. That means I'm starting at 4, and I'm going 2 smaller. 1, 2. And where do I end up? That's right. I landed on 2. And that's it for today. You guys should do your worksheets on your own. I'm sure you're going to do a great job. Bye.